Hello friends, how are you doing everyone? I hope everyone is doing good. Today actually I'm leaving to Coimbatore to my hometown Tirupur. So I'm super duper excited because after a long time I'm going to my home. So I stayed away from my family due to this COVID pandemic. Finally I'm going to home today. I'm very much excited about going to home. Let me take you all to the tour of my journey from Mumbai to Coimbatore. Okay. So this is my travel bag. This goes in luggage, and here I carry my laptop bag along with this. This is the cabin baggage. So I'm getting my journey started, guys. So I'm taking all the precautions when going out, like wearing mask, and I will take physical distancing, then hand washing. So actually, I've taken vaccination 2 days back, and I'm completely all right. I didn't have any symptoms like fatigue or malaise or myalgia, so I'm completely all right. So I advise everyone to take vaccination. For some of them, there is a mild symptoms like fever, malaise, headache will be there, but that is usual with all the vaccinations. So, uh, as far as my experience, I advise all of you to take vaccines. There is no harm about that. Okay. So I'm leaving to airport like around 3 hours earlier because yesterday from Indigo they sent me a message that you have to reach the airport 3 hours earlier due to heavy checking due to the oncoming Republic Day. So I'm going little bit earlier as so usually I go to airport by train only. So I'm leaving little bit earlier. Usually I don't take taxi. So I'm getting started from my hostel in like a TNMC Medical College and BOL Nair Hospital hostel, and I'm leaving to the nearest railway station, Mumbai Central Railway Station, which is on the western line. So I will go to first Vileparle railway station, and from there I will get auto rickshaw. So to go to the terminal 2 of the Mumbai International Airport, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai. Okay. So I have taken the printout of the boarding pass. So guys, this is the Mumbai Central Railway Station. You can see this is the station, and this also has the departure of express trains, that is northbound trains, the trains going via Gujarat. They start from here, and also this is as well as the local train station also. So first I will take the ticket and then I will catch the train. So this is the counter for unreserved tickets. So I'm going to buy a ticket from Mumbai Central to Andheri station. Yes, guys, I have taken ticket from Mumbai Central to Andheri. Yes. So again, I have to walk around 300 meters to get the train, local train. So guys, I am right now here at Mumbai Central Railway Station. I got my ticket. Then behind me you can see the Nathani Towers, and this is the new residential tower and one of the tallest building in Mumbai. You can see at the background of me, and this is in front. This is the Mumbai Central Railway Station. So actually I missed this train just in a fraction of seconds. So I'm waiting for the second next train. So in Mumbai, the local trains are the means of cheapest and fastest mode of transport. If you take into the account of heavy traffic on the roadside, so it is better to take local trains like inside and the outskirts of Mumbai. It is very cheap and fastest means of transport. So like lot of countries, they used to encourage the mass transportation in order to reduce the environmental pollution. For example, in some countries, they used to put heavy taxes on cars, so the people by restricting them from buying cars and encouraging them to use mass transport like trains and buses. In some countries, like uh, they give allowances for buying electrical cars, so that people they buy more of electric vehicles and reduce the environmental pollution. So we have to take care of our air. We have to reduce the air pollution by using the means of mass transportation. So if you are going like 4 or 5 members as a family, you can use cars. There is no problem in that. But if you are traveling alone, it is better to use mass transportation like train or buses. Okay. Next train came. I am getting into the train. So I got into the train. It's not crowdy as usual. It's not crowdy because they are restricting the passengers who are not having identity card with them. So only the government employees are allowed to travel in the train. So there is not of much crowd. Usually in the pre-COVID area, you cannot even breathe. So that much crowd, it will be like jam packed. But today it is the train is free and it is comfortable to travel. Okay. So I have reached Santa Cruz station on the Western Line. So the 2 more stations to go to reach Villeparle station. Sorry guys, the next station is Villeparle. The next station after Santa Cruz is Villeparle. Sorry, I gave the wrong information. So yes, in a few more minutes I will be in the Villeparle station. So from Villeparle station I have taken metered auto rickshaw to go to the terminal 2 of Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. And भैया इधर से कितना दूर है? 2 it will take 15 to 20 minutes to reach the airport. So भैया आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम सूर्यकांत. सूर्यकांत ऑटो रिक्शा ड्राइवर का नाम सूर्यकांत. ठीक है. और this is in Mumbai. They don't get any extra charges for auto rickshaw. They they are having a meter. So according to the distance traveled, that much money only they will collect. They won't collect any extra. So this is one of the good thing about Mumbai. But still some of the auto rickshaw drivers, they used to cheat if you find you as a new fellow over here. So you have to be very careful, but most of the auto drivers are very good, so they don't get any extra paisa. Alright guys, after reaching the airport, I will once again I will show you the scenes over there. Here you can see guys how the how terrible the Mumbai traffic is. So the so as I already said, going by road is take lot of time and lot of your energy. So it's better to take train as far as possible. Guys, we almost reached terminal 2 of Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. So they have maintained the airport very well. They maintained a very good garden, like on both the sides there are a lot of trees. This is the entrance of terminal 2 of Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. You can see here. And for a departure I have to go by lift to the 4th or 5th floor. So this is the auto rickshaw point where they drop us here. So I will get down here, and then I will get a lift to go to the departure point. Yes. Hello friends, I've reached the airport, and he dropped me. He got only 70 rupees from Vilepalli station to this terminal 2 of International Mumbai International Airport. So he collected only reasonable amount of money according to meter. So last time one auto driver, he asked me around 400 rupees. So there is so as I already said, most of the drivers are good, but some may cheat you. So you have to be very careful. For departure, I have to go to the P10. So I'm going to the lift. So here there is trolleys. I will take one of the trolley. So that will be easy for me to carry all my baggage. So I kept all my luggages in this trolley. So that is really easy for me, and I'm going to the departure terminal P10. Guys, this is the arrival terminal of T2. So I'm going to departure terminal. So I have reached the departure gate of the Mumbai, the T2 terminal of Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. You can see the beautiful and magnificent view of the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. This is the departure terminal. So there are a lot of restaurant and eateries in front of the departures. So you can see over there. So this is the road I have to cross and go to the departure. So I have to find my the gate. So from where I can drop all the baggages and do the check-in. So there is really a huge line over here. So it will take some time to enter into the airport. There is a heavy security check due to Republic Day celebration. The nearby oncoming Republic Day celebrations. So I have to get really quick. My flight is at around 8:20, the departure time. So I have to really go very fast. So guys, I have dropped my baggage in the baggage counter. Then I'm going next step. I'm going to the security check. After finishing the security check, then I will board at around 7:35. Now the time is around 7 o'clock. I have to go really fast to get my flight. So this is the background view of Mumbai Airport. So they have maintained very neatly. Hello guys, I have finished my security checking. Today it was very too much crowd over here. Really I waited for a long time for a security check to get over. So next time going to the boarding gate, which is 43B. So I'm going slowly over there. Guys, this is Skoda Octavia. This is showcased here, and on the way you can see there are a lot of shops where you can where you can buy branded items. Then there are a lot of restaurants with bars, and a lot of cloth shops, branded cloth shops over here. So it's very fantastic over here. So guys, I'm going fast to my gate, departure gate, which is 43B, and so I think I have to go to this side left. Okay, and I'm going. So guys, I have reached the gate number 42A, that is Indigo 6225 Coimbatore. So I'm waiting for boarding to get started. Friends, this is the outside view of Mumbai International Airport. So there are a lot of flights being parked, and they are boarding the passengers. So it is one of the busiest single runway airport in the world. Basically, it has got two runways, but it is crisscross runway. Only one runway will be functional at a time, and if one runway if it gets repaired, then they use the another runway. So at a time they can able to use only one runway. So it is busiest single runway airport. So there are about 700 to 800 flight landing and departures per day. So around per hour it will be around 40 to 50 flights. So for each flight they have got only 1 to 2 minutes for a departure and also for landing. So the flight which we are going, they have to maintain that particular time. Otherwise, the other flights also will get delayed. So please cooperate and reach the airport at least 2 hours before departure, and don't be late to the airport, so that it will cause discomfort for thousands of other passengers and flights. So this is the boarding gate of Indigo heading to Coimbatore. So they told us to wait for another 15 minutes to get boarding to be started. So I'm waiting here in the waiting area with my cabin baggages. So in Indigo they had given us one face shield along with the mask and sanitizer sachet, 4 to 5 sanitizer sachet. So this they used to give for all the passengers, and this is the safety measures they are taking for on-board passengers. Thank you. Hello friends, our flight to Coimbatore had arrived. So they are doing all the pre-flight checkings. So I will be boarding in another 5 to 10 minutes. So I think this is of Airbus A320 with single class with 180 seater, and yeah. Okay guys, finally I have boarded the flight to Coimbatore, and everybody is getting in, and there are a lot of everybody is taking their own time to get settled their own seat. So actually I got allotted 18C. C is this not the window seat, the corner seat. Now my flight is getting taxiing in the runway. In another few minutes I will be in the air. Friends, I felt hungry, so I have ordered one poha and one armrest juice. So actually they prepare the poha and ask us to wait for 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes we can eat. So let me show you the poha. Wait. Friends, I finished eating my food. So in another 20 to 25 minutes I will reach Coimbatore. I'm very happy, and all my family members they are coming to airport to receive me. So especially my son Gautam is coming, my brother Sendil, my wife Selvi, and my mother is also coming. And I'm very much happy to see them after a long time. So it is I don't know how to describe. Sorry, how to I don't know how to describe that feeling. So I'm going to see them after a long time. So it is a very special feeling. So finally, guys, got down at Coimbatore International Airport, and behind me you can see my flight, and I got down from there. So I'm going to I'm going to take my baggage. So this is the view at Coimbatore International Airport. I'm going to baggage area. Friends, I have reached Coimbatore International Airport. This is the baggage collecting area. So here I am waiting for my baggage to come. So this is the arrival area of Coimbatore. You can see the Kangeyum bull. So this is the traditional bull of Tamil Nadu, and here you can see the advertisement of Coimbatore institutions like Kovai Medical Center and Hospital, and this one. And you can at a distance you can see two elephants statue. So Coimbatore it is having a very good connectivity from all the major Indian cities, especially from Mumbai. Daily there are 5 flights are there, like Indigo, SpiceJet, Air India, Go Air. They are all providing services from Mumbai. So all of you can easily reach Mumbai, and the Mumbai is having lot of tourist destinations, like nearby Ooty is around 50 kilometers from here, and Kodaikanal is around 150, Munnar is around 100 kilometers. So you can go to all the destinations from here. So make your travel plans and come to Coimbatore. So Coimbatore is a very good destination, and also there is Isha Yoga Center is there. You can go over there and meditate. So there are a lot of other temples and worshipping places are there. So make your plan and visit Coimbatore. Hello friends, finally I reached Coimbatore. I'm waiting for my baggage to take. I'm waiting for the baggage. Then I will take the baggage, and my family is waiting outside. My brother, my son, my wife, and my mother are waiting outside. So I'm very I'm very happy and eagerly waiting to see them. So the baggage is not coming yet, not came yet. So I'm waiting for the baggage. Okay, finally guys, my baggage came and I'm all set, ready to go outside to
pink dress. எங்க வர்றது?
So friends, finally I've reached Coimbatore, and my family members had come to receive me. So mainly Gautam and Selvi, Sendil, and my mother. So they all came to receive me. So actually the flight got delayed 1 hour. So they waited for me here for 1 hour, and finally we all met. So So Gautam is super excited. See Gautam. கௌதம் இப்போ எங்கே போகிறோம் நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு போகிறோமா ஓகே ஏறுங்க காரில் ஏறுங்க ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி மை ஹோம் இஸ் in Tirupur, which is around 45 kilometers from here. So we are going by car. And my brother Sendil is driving. Hi Sendil. And my Selvi and my mother is at the back seat. So friends, we came out of the Coimbatore airport and we are going towards Tirupur, which is 45 kilometers away from here. So we are traveling via NH47. NH47 then Sendil. Okay, we are traveling via NH47, which is the major road connecting Coimbatore and Bangalore. And for Tirupur, we have to take diversion at around 40 kilometer from here, and then from there around 10 to 15 kilometers. So totally it will take around 1 hour to reach my home. And this is the NH47. So the temperature over here is 28 degrees Celsius and it is very pleasant weather. So this is all about my journey from Mumbai to Coimbatore. And so all of you take care, and we will see in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.